This like this, you'll rip it. If you try and grab it, this is one good way to grab it. Leave yourself some extra. That way you don't cut it short and then you gotta put it in a stupid little piece.
Right.
On those closets, Enrique, some of them big closets too, I would have ran it all the way up into that closet. Then you don't gotta put a seam in the doorway.
I was running out of the roll.
And then so don't when you're running out of that roll,
Grab a new one.
that piece, grab a long enough piece to where you can do it in one piece.
Okay.
Use that short piece somewhere else. When that pad is all wrinkly like that, don't use that. I'm not fucking with that shit, you know?
Okay.
Wasting time, you know? So right now, we're not gonna be monetizable anyways, Hans, so we can curse. What up, YouTube? Of course, I would trip at that minute. They still know how smooth I am, though. It's MFI the floor, guys. This video right here is how to put the pad down. How to pad a room under the carpet, right? Like it and share it. Share it with your mama. If you're not, I need a sharp blade. Can you make sure your knife has a sharp blade and then trade me, Enrique?
Here.
Is that sharp?
Maybe.
Hop off, Hans, because look, you see that little short there?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna just give it a little kick. Just a little. Okay. So now I usually cut with the back of the knife. This is one thing right here. Your blade's real short. This knife, I don't like this knife already.
I don't either.
It doesn't let the blade out. So I'm waiting on a blade here. I get 30 seconds back off however as long this video time takes.
We're up to about 9 minutes.
We are not at 9 minutes. It don't even take me 9 minutes to do things.
As you can see, we hide our blades right underneath the... Kidding, we picked that up.
We're gonna pick that up
We're gonna pick that up.
when we're done. Alright, so sharp blade, low angle. So here, so what I'm saying is a low angle. Don't be up here trying to cut deep down here. Grip it hard, your thumb here, 4 fingers, and use your finger as a guide. And press hard like you're trying to cut into the concrete.
Not too hard because you're gonna fuck up the blade.
Actually, no, don't be scared to press hard. You're only gonna fuck up the tip of the blade, and that's why you go at a low angle, because you're cutting with all this part of the blade. See what I mean? See, look, even though my blade is really dull, it's really gone right there. It's already grinded down. But look how clean of a cut I'm still getting. Okay, so look at the space here, guys. You did that, yeah, so that's good. You were leaving it running up on the thing for me, and that's why I was having to trim it back. Yeah. It was close, and it was actually running up on the texture. I would have showed you, but I didn't have any patience. See YouTube?
You got it.
Okay, so see here, this, I'm gonna go up there, the flat, I'll be able to see there instead of the opposite way. I get a little over this way. And that's pretty much money. I can actually say, okay, I need an extra 6 inches there, right?
Don't we all?
From my hand up here, that's about 6 inches or so.
My neck never seems to cut through like that.
Get this
It's just this
out of
video.
my way. Now, another thing, Enrique, make sure you look back, triple check, get all the scraps out. You left me some chunks there, not that I can't pick it up. But if you're the installer, you gotta leave it perfectly clean anyways. Might as well get it clean for me. Then I come in and I'm like, oh man, this thing's so clean and done, it's trimmed and ready for carpet. Okay. And so what I do is I say, how can I cut this all in one stroke? In fact, I can even leave the piece together, which makes less scraps for me to pick up.
Fucking bro.
Don't help him. Don't help him.
Now I forgot. Did the whole room in like 5 minutes.
He's way over 5 minutes. He doesn't even know where he's at, but it's pretty disgraceful. Plus he's out of breath.
Now you got none of those little furry chunks to pick up.
Right.
I got my stapler in here. Okay, good. Whose is this? Some of these aren't going in, so I'm just depending on the ones that do, you know, but like I say, there's friction between this pad and the floor. It's not gonna
Right,
move on me.
right.
We got any staples? Which is gonna be right up here. Click on the link. Is that how they do it?
I think you pointed to the wrong side, but
Oh
yeah.
yeah, it's gonna be right up here.
Wherever it is.
I'll put it down in the description too. What the fuck?
It only fits
Don't do it
two.
like that, see?
First
Because
you
I
wanna.
didn't watch the video that I'm about to make. And I feel like there's something I gotta do after this. Yeah, I got a little scrap over there I gotta put in. That's what it is. It's actually jammed. Did you figure out how to unjam this, Enrique?
I just unhook it once. I just unhook this.
Right?
And then I usually pop something out of there, whatever
Okay.
is jammed, and then I go right back and it usually works
Okay.
again.
So you know a better way than me, huh? Motherfucker.
Jammed up again?
Gotta take the pressure off of it before you open it up the other side.
Yeah, I play dangerous with life.
There, it fell out.
So you gotta take everything apart.
At least twice.
Yep.
We're gonna have to do this video again because I can't be over 10 minutes.
You better hurry
This is
the
some bullshit.
better hurry up.
So like,
Huh?
trying to get it like that, but
So you take off the top of your thumb.
Alright, good enough. I almost fucking did cut my thumb, huh?
Uh-huh.
You would have posted that shit, wouldn't you? If I was on your own page, you would have made a page.
We're
just
gonna
to post
zoom in
that
on that little swatch that's missing right there.
This fucking thing. What's going on here?
yeah, it's giving me a headache all day.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because this concrete, you know?
Yeah.
It's not, this ain't. So,
I feel
okay,
like
so
it's
if
like
that
the
does,
the pattern's eating it, like going
So-
inside of it too.
like and subscribe, and if I had a floor guy, that's how I would put the pad in the room, right? Okay.